हेलो ब्यूटीफुल फैमिली, मैं हूं अनुराधा मेनोचा, एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट एंड टैरो कंसल्टेंट। और आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूं एक सक्सेस स्टोरी ऑफ स्क्रिप्टिंग ऑफ और ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल कि कैसे मेरी क्लाइंट ने अपना लाइफ पार्टनर मैनिफेस्ट किया। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी है। मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे में नहीं बताऊंगी बिकॉज उन्होंने तो मुझे पूरा अपना स्टोरी सेंड किया था, तो मैंने उसको शॉर्ट में समराइज कर लिया है, जो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ। तो उसको ज़रूर लास्ट तक देखना एंड आई टेल यू हाउ शी मैनिफेस्टेड हर लाइफ पार्टनर। So basically, she told me that she was in a relationship with her partner, and उनका relationship बहुत ही beautifully start हुआ and they were in that phase for almost good one and a half year. लेकिन उसके बाद उनके relationship में कुछ problem आया and then they broke up. Then she was like that, I was very much sure that, he is the one who would get married and I want to get married. And then she said that, everyone has told me, सबने मुझे बोला कि move on, this person is not good for you, just try other people in your life. But she said that, kahin na kahin I was having this intuition, I was having this confidence that yes, he is my life partner. Then she said that I did not, I started meeting people, but कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था that he is the one, so I did not show that much of interest. And दूसरी बात, मुझे कोई ऐसा क्लिक भी नहीं किया, एक होता है ना कि आप किसी से मिलते हो and you like that partner, like that person to be with, but she said कि मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं आया and somehow I knew that I'll end up marrying this person. But on the other side, that person was completely not into her. That person has told her to move on. And वो भी उसने भी dating करना start कर दिया था and he was like in his different life. Then she said that, what I did, she did not give importance to anything what was happening in the surrounding. She was only writing her scripting, and scripting में उसने पूरा अपना story लिखा, how she wants her life, and she even mentioned that person's specific name, that she is married with this person and she's having beautiful life, and उसने पूरी अपनी story लिखी that how she wants. So वो लिखती रही. So it's been उनके breakup को almost 2 years हो गए थे. And उस 2 years में इन दोनों ने अपने like she also tried to move on, she also met people, he also tried to move on, he met people, but कहीं ना कहीं उनका कहीं पे कुछ हुआ नहीं. And then she said that last year that person got engaged. And then she said that what, still at that point in time I did not lose my hope. I was very much confident that universe has made this match, so this is gonna happen. And because she is following law of attraction, so she knew it, that if I focus on his engagement or his marriage, then she said that I knew it will not happen. So she focused on her life. She was so much clear that what she wanted, so she focused on her life only. And then she said that last year at the last quarter, then she said that he came back to me and then he said that what, I am not feeling comfortable in this marriage. I have realized that what I have done. So he asked her to give her another chance, but because she was engaged, so obviously she didn't go ahead with him. And she asked him ki agar if you really want me to get back, then you need to take stand for me. And then that person had called off his engagement, he called off his marriage, and she sent me this message a week back and she said that now they're back together and most probably they will get married in this year. So the I would say the moral of this story is, what she did not focus on the current reality. जैसे मैं हमेशा आपको बोलती हूँ, या मेरी लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के वेबिनार में मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, दैट डोंट फोकस ऑन द करंट रियलिटी. वट एवर इज हैपनिंग यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन, बिकॉज आपका जो पॉइंट है, आपका जो एम है, वो है कि जो अभी हो रहा है, यू डोंट वॉन्ट इट, राइट, यू वॉन्ट another thing to happen. तो आपको इस पर फोकस नहीं करना है, आपको उस पर फोकस करना है what you want. And definitely it took her 1 year, it took her definitely one and a half year to basically reach to this stage and to get what she wanted, what she manifested. But she did that. and she got it. And because she had complete faith in law of attraction, she had complete faith in gratitude journal, she said that, you know, every time she used to write the story, and most of the time she used to write a gratitude journal. So she said that every day I used to write my gratitude journal, wherein I was writing that I'm happily and married, I'm happy and blessed married with this person, and I'm having beautiful life. So she said that every day I used to do that, and every day when I used to do it, gave me that confidence that yes, it is happening, it is happening. So yes, that's the power of gratitude, that's the power of writing, that's the power of law of attraction. So yes, that is a beautiful story. I am sure that you would like it, and if you like this video, if you like the success story, अगर इस वीडियो ने आपको थोड़ा सा भी मोटिवेट किया है, अगर आप लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को आपको लग रहा था कि वर्क नहीं कर रहा है या कुछ होता है, if you get motivated, do let me know in the comment section that yes, it helped you, and now you will definitely focus on what you want, not rather you focusing on what you don't want, right? So do let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Share it at least to 3 people so that they will also get benefit out of it. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that आपको मेरे आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में भी नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. So keep manifesting, as I always say, nothing is impossible in this world. Happy manifesting. Bye bye.